Well, Nielsen Catalina is a joint venture between Catalina, which has the loyalty card data for grocery stores and discount drugstores, and obviously Nielsen, who has the TV data and home scan data and all sorts of other data assets that we can bring together. We bring them together not only for planning, but for targeting who's most likely to see a particular ad and measuring that ad. And once you measure the campaign, our definition of measurement is return on advertising spent. And based upon those results of who was most likely, to spend after they saw a particular ad. So did they see the Tide ad and did they go back and actually spend when the campaign was done? That can feed into the last part of the loop, which is what we call purchase-based planning. So planning not just on age and sex demos, but planning on what they bought, how recently they purchased that particular product, and when are they most likely to buy it again. Well, the purchase-based data, the loyalty card data that comes from Catalina represents 90 million households, which is phenomenal. If there's about 115 or 117 million households totally, we're most of the way there. And that data is refreshed daily. So we're constantly getting feeds from Catalina that we can match to any media exposure. So whether it's on TV, or whether it's digital, whether it's mobile, whether it's print or radio, we're agnostic. It's define once, define who's likely to buy that product, activate, and then measure. So it's truly a joint venture that both parties bring incredibly valuable assets to the table. You're absolutely right. Addressable is a confusing definition because of the proliferation of devices you have. But from a Nielsen Catalina point of view, we want to make sure that whoever was addressed to, whoever saw the particular ad, we have sales data on that. We want to know, did that ad move them to go and purchase the product? So it's a purchase-based targeting approach to deliver that particular ad to the most likely buyer, and then so you can measure the effectiveness of the ad.
Cool, and just tell us the kinds of clients, the customers that you guys have for this.
CPG, consumer packaged goods manufacturers, their agencies, and the publishers or the television networks, anybody that's serving the media that wants to prove that the campaigns are working, for the CPG manufacturers, for pharmaceutical as well, and their advertising agencies.
Well, and what's top of mind for your customers here at Nielsen, or just generally at this time?
Cross-media measurement. The big thing is, you have little tangible things that happen all the time, like in-flight optimization, or how quickly can you finish the study. But the big nirvana is cross-media measurement, and the interaction and the effect and the benefit of advertising on mobile and print, or on TV and digital. So there's many definitions of that, but they all want to understand the impact of cross-media measurement.